Morning, class.
Good morning, sir.
Well, okay, Joanna, may please lead the prayer.
Are you ready to pray, classmates?
Yes, we are.
Our
Our Father, who art in heaven, holy be your name, your kingdom come, your will be done, on earth as it is in heaven. Give us this day our daily bread, and forgive us our sins as we forgive to those who sin against us. Do not bring us to the test, but deliver us from evil. Amen.
Before you take your seats, please pick up the pieces of trash under your chairs. And arrange your chairs. Okay, now take your seat. Before anything else, let me check your attendance first. Say here once your name is called. John Marty. Al Joseph. Eduardo. Vince Marvin. James. Cyrus. Roy. Vincent. Christian. Here. Ivan. Here. Earl. Transfer na ni Michael. Here. Ben Affleck. Ken Ryan. Ralph John. Aldrin. Marjorie. Here. Katari. Here. Joanna May. Here. Rose Ann. Princess. Here. Rochelle. Here. Cyril. Here. Angeline. Here. Giselle. Here. Nusurata. Kim. Here. Angel May. Here. Katrina. Here. Sheena. Here. Ruby. Here. Lynn Antoinette. Here. March Joy.
Here, sir.
Here. Cherry Ann. Melanie. Here. Jonah May. Here. Jirel. Here. Okay. Nabay ba natawag? Wala. So again, good morning class.
Good morning, sir.
So how was your day? Fine, okay lang. So happy. Okay, so before we go through to our discussion, here's our classroom rules. So our classroom rules are: raise your hand if you have clarification or questions. Follow directions in every activity natong buhaton. Always do your best sa mga activity natong buhaton. Be participative. Work together sa atong activity because later on we will have a group activities. Listen carefully so that maka-understand mo kung unsa ang atong topic. And be kind to one another. So much for that. Before tamo begin sa ato ang topic dyan, let's have a recap first. So, what is projectile motion, Diay? Sige, Marjorie.
Projectile motion is the movement of an object that is thrown or lashed into the air, like throwing stone or a piece of wood.
Okay, very good. So, if we say projectile motion, that is the motion of an object that is being launched into the air that will create a trajectory, path, or the curve path. So, what is the two components of projectile motion? Ralph. Horizontal and vertical motion. If we say horizontal motion, what is horizontal motion? Sige, Katari.
Walk forward and upwards.
Very good. How about vertical motion? Okay, Angeline.
Move forward, move up and down.
Okay, very good. So, I think nakasabot na no kung saan projectile motion and its component. So, I have here a activity entitled entitled 4 pics, 1 word. So, familiar mo na game?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so, kay na mo, there is a 4 pictures na i-present, then inyo i-guess kung saan na siya. Alright. So, first, what is that? Bugat. Mask. Very good. Next, another. Thermal speed. Velocity. Very good. That is velocity. And this one. Nagtud. Sama na. Force. Very good. What about this? That is time. Very good. So give clap. Give clap. Okay. So based on the activity, what do you think is our topic? Another hand. How about Joanna May? What is our topic? Based on our activity, what is our topic? Momentum and impulse. So, momentum and impulse. So, before we talk about momentum and impulse, here's our learning objectives. Okay, our learning objectives are so please read the learning objectives. First,
Identify the factors that affect momentum and impulse.
second,
Solve problems applying the concept of momentum and impulse.
third,
Cite real-life examples of momentum and impulse.
okay. So I have here an activity. I'll group the class in 2 groups. So this is the group 1 and the group 2. And then the title of the activity is The Egg Drop Mystery. So catching the egg in a hard pan, and the other one is also in a hard pan but with soft cloth. So ang group 1, mo himo sa pag-catch ang eggs in hard pan. And while the group 2, kay katong na ay cloth. Okay, so let's put chair here. And another chair. Okay. And then, after ninyo to himuon, you must record your observation kung saan hitabo sa egg. And then, each group will choose at least two representative to present or discuss your observation and answer the guide questions. So, we have here a pan. Okay. And then a cloth. So, ang buhaton ninyo anay, nana lang katas ang egg. So, inyong i-drop. Okay. So, nakasabot na kung sa unang katong activity? Okay, very good. Okay, paadiri ang egg. Sige, kay hindi. Group activity ni siya. So, group 1, group 2. So, dapat tanan mag-observe. Okay. Okay, please get the egg. Group 2. Group 1. Okay, just wait lang sa class, ha? And then, where's the hard band? The soft one. Okay, i-write ninyo in your observation, ha? And then present it in front. So, sige. I'll give you 3 minutes. I'll give you 3 minutes and present it on doing that activity. Time start now. Inanak na niyo siya. Anak, then i-drop. Then ikaw, natugod, then i-drop niyo. Yes. I-drop lang niyo mo. Then mag-observe man mo. So write your observation. Don't highlight. Wala. Okay. So drop the egg. 1, 2, 3, drop. Okay, so obserbahan ninyo kung unsay nahitabo sa egg. Unsay nahitabo diri sa pikas. So write it in your observation. Unsay nahitabo diri sa pikas, then write it in your observation. Sige, pag-collaborate everyone. Tabang. Come on, tabang. Pag-collaborate. Yes, what is the question? Oh yes, the result. Oh yeah. Sige, pag tinabangay. So you have only 45 seconds left. Okay, almost done na class. Five. Okay. So time's up, class. Then present your observation. Group 1. You may now present your observation. Yes. Papanuman? Sige, okay. Group 1, please take kauban. Okay, present it here in front. Okay, you now start.
Good afternoon, each and everyone. So this is our observation
So
about
listen to
the
group 1 class.
experiment. So what happened to the egg when it was dropped into the hard cloth? So the egg cracked because of the hard cloth.
How did the outcome differ between the two experiments? The other experiment did not crack the egg because of the soft cloth, while our experiment, the egg cracked because of the hard pan.
Why does the egg survive in one case but not the other? Because of the soft cloth, while the other didn't have soft cloth.
So class, give very good clap to the group 1. Like 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Very good, very good, very good. Okay, 1, 2, 3, go. Very good, very good, very good. How about the group 2? Present your observation. Okay, good morning.
Our president asked, what happened to the egg when it was dropped into the pan with
In our experiment, the egg did not crack instead it bounced because of the cloth or the pan.
How did the outcome differ between the two experiments?
The outcome of the two experiments are different because the first egg cracked and the other egg was not.
Why does the egg survive in one case but not the other?
Because the other egg has cloth, while the other does not have it.
Okay, very good. Give 5 claps to the group 2. Okay, very good. So, everyone got the right answer. So, in doing your activity, if we say momentum, what comes in your mind? Another hand. If you say momentum, what comes in your mind? Okay.
It's the quantity of motion of an object.
Very good. So if we say momentum, it is the quantity of motion of an object. So momentum is a measure of the motion of an object, or it is the mass in motion. So if we say like Ralph is running. So now by momentum si Ralph. Why? Dagan siya and he has mass. Na siya ay kabugaton. Ngayon tawag momentum, mo ni siya ang naaybugat na naglihok. Naglihok. Na ay movement, na ay motion. So, mathematically, momentum is equals to mass times velocity. Very good. So I have here an example. Okay. A car has a mass of 1,000 kilogram and is moving at 20 meter per second. So, what is the momentum of the car? So, saan man ang momentum sa car? Okay. How do we get the momentum? In answering your problem class, first thing to do is to identify the given. So, in identifying the given, makaibaw na mo kung saan kita. And what is the formula to use? Then, okay, what is the formula of momentum? Mass times velocity. So what is kung sa itong buhaton sunod kung naka-identify na ta sa given? So the given is given mass is equals to pila ang mass? 1,000 kilogram. How about the velocity? 20 meter per second. So, sige, pangita di ay. Ang momentum. Very good. So, our formula to use is momentum is equals to mass times velocity. So, kung sa isunod baton, substitute the given. So, what is our mass? 1,000 kilogram times, what is our velocity? 20 meter per second. So, pila itong momentum? 20,000 kilogram times meter per second. So, kung saan unit sa ito ang momentum? Kilogram times meter per second. So, this is our momentum. So, number 2, a moving object has a momentum of 60 kilogram meter per second. Its velocity is 12 meter per second. What is the mass of the object? So, sa una ito pagkahibaw, kung unsa ang formula itong gamiton, kung mauni ang atong formula sa momentum. Unsa itong buhaton? Manipulate the formula. So, if momentum is equals to mass times velocity, then what is the formula of mass? So, in earlier na class, I'll give you some trick. Use the or apply the triangle magic. So, this is our momentum, our mass, and our velocity. If ang momentum ang ipangita, then simply mass times velocity. If we would put the mass atong ipangita, just momentum divided by velocity. Kung velocity atong ipangita, kung saan ang formula atong gamiton? Mass. Very good. So, okay. So, unsay ato ang velocity here? Atong mass. So, sa formula, what is the given? Unsay given nato? Unsay given nato? There is a momentum. So, momentum is equals to 60 kilograms times second. What? Unsa ba ilahi? Velocity. So, what is our velocity? 12 meter per second. So, ang ipangita dahil is the mass. So, divide. That is, mass is equals to, what is our formula na gamiton? Momentum divided by velocity. So, distribute, no? So, our momentum is 60 kilogram times meter per second divided by 12 meter per second. So, what is our mass? 5 kilogram. So, nga 5 kilogram, 1 kilogram na lang naman nila ang kailangan. Sige, okay, Marjorie.
You will cancel the meter per second.
Ano makancel man yung meter per second squared? Kay? Same and opposite side. Okay, so number 3. Read the number 3.
A rock has a mass of 100 kilograms is momentum is 40,000 kilograms transmitter per second. Find the velocity of the drop.
Okay. So, sa tumbuhatong diri na nag-grams man na siya, dili man na siya kilograms. Sa tumbuhaton, convert grams into kilograms. So, okay, nanatay given no na ay momentum. Momentum kay 40,000 kilogram times meter per second. And then our mass is 100,000 grams. So, saan na ito buhaton? Atong i-convert into kilogram. So, 1,000. Pila ka grams ang usa ka kilogram? At pila ka pila ka grams ang usa ka kilogram? Pila? One kilogram is equals to 1,000 grams. So, makancel ang grams. So, 100,000 grams times 1 kilogram is equals to 100,000 grams divided by 1,000. Pila siya? 10 equals 10,000 kilogram. Okay, nanatay? Mass. Then, ang ipakita is the velocity. So, sa formula itong buhaton? Ano sa formula itong gamiton? Velocity is equals to momentum divided by mass. Okay. So, pila itong momentum? 40 kilogram meter per second divided by 10,000 kilograms. So, pila ito ang velocity? Pila ito velocity? Pila ito velocity? 4. Masa itong unit na gamiton? Meter per second. Very good. Kaya anong meter per second man? Makancel ang kilograms. Okay. So, nasabtan kung unsa ang momentum? Okay. Very good. So, impulse, change in momentum. So, kung maingon tag, si Ralph nagdali-dali, nagdagan siya ganina no? So, naa siya yung momentum. Then, naa siya nabangga. Nausapod kay estudyante nagdali-dali. So, unsay naa na yung impulse or wala? Naa. So, there is an impulse. So, asa nahitabo dito ang impulse? Katong nagbangga. Very good. So, our formula for impulse is impulse is equals to change in momentum, or simply force time. So, unsa gani ato ang impulse? Force times time. So, that is our impulse. Equals to, unsa man ang ato ang momentum? Change in momentum. Mass times change in velocity. Okay, so I have here someone. Like for example, airbag. So kung naay magbangga, Then, nai-airbag. Sagang sa airbag. So, sa pagbangga dito, nai-impulse wala? Sa pagbangga, nai-impulse wala? Naa. So, tungod sa airbag, madelay niya ang time na madiretso ka bangga dito sa manubela sa car. So, then, sample. Sample. Basang number 1.
A baseball bat exerts a force of 500 Newton on a baseball for 0.2 seconds. What is the impulse delivered to the baseball?
So, kung sa ganito itong formula sa impulse, force times time. Okay. So, saan na ito pag-answer na itong problem? Identify the given. So, saan na ito given? Sa problem number 1. Tatay, masay na asa ito Force. So, what is our force? 500 Newton. Asa pa may naa? Time. So, saan ito time? 0.02 seconds. Okay. So, unsay formula natin sa momentum? Momentum is equals to force times time. Okay. Distribute. Sa ito force gani, 500 Newton times 0.02 seconds. So, unsa ito impulse? What is our impulse? 10? Unsa ito ang unit? Unit sa impulse. Newton times seconds. Okay, very good. Another example. Number 2. Read number 2.
A thunderbolt receives an impulse of 12 Newton times seconds during a kick that lasts 0.03 seconds. What is the average force exerted on the ball?
So, saan mo dito gipangita dila sa problem number 2? The force. So, sa ganito ito ang magic para makuha itong formula? The triangle magic. So, apply the triangle magic. So, impulse, force, then time. So, karon, unsa, based ani, unsa ang ato ang formula na ganito? Divide. Unsa yung formula na gamiton nato sa force? Force is equals to impulse divided by time. So, natay given no. Problem number 2. Ang given, ano say given? Impulse. Sa impulse? 12 Newton times seconds. Then, ano sa ito time? 0.03 seconds. So, how much is our impulse? Okay. So, inana itong buhaton? Force is equals to impulse over time. Okay. So, 12 Newton times second over 0.03 seconds. So, what is our force? 400 Newton. Ganun Newton naman. Again, mag-cancel 6 seconds kaya na sila sa opposite side. Okay. Okay na niya pag-reason ha? Then read the example number 3.
A tennis racket exerts an average force of 300 Newton on a ball, delivering an impulse of 6 Newton per second. How long was the racket in contact with the ball?
So how long? Sige pangita. Diraan.
Time.
Ang time. So time is equals to, sa ito ang formula ni? Impulse divided by force. Okay. So sa ito given? Natay? Impulse. Sa ito impulse? Ang sa impulse na to? Ang sa ito impulse? 6 Newton times second. So what is our force? 300 Newton. Okay. So ang formula na to gamiton kay time is equals to impulse over force. Okay. So time is equals to impulse over force. Yeah, over or divide. Sakto man siya, kasi na nabali. So, karon unsa ato impulse? Unsa impulse na to? 6 Newton times second. Unsa force na to? 300 Newton. So, bilang atong time? 0.02 seconds. Anong seconds man? Kay opposite side man sila. Okay. So nakasabot ra kung sa impulse. Sa ganitong impulse? What is impulse again? Change in momentum. So unsa man pud tong momentum? Sige, another hand. See. Kuan. Say that.
Momentum is the motion quantity of the
Quantity or simply mass in motion. Alright. So I have here the Metropolitan Manila Development Authority or MMDA reported that EDSA recorded the highest number of car accidents in 2024 with 8,873 crashes. So daghan kayo na itabo nga accident, car accident no nagkabangga ay. So in understanding the concept of momentum in impulse. So, makahelp ba na sa ato So, why does understanding the concept of momentum and impulse can save life? Why? Marjorie, why? So, nga naman ay, kung atong sabton ang concept sa momentum o impulse, di ba hikingunta ang momentum kay kanang mass in motion na ay lihok. Bugat na ay lihok. Then ang impulse po kay change in motion. So akto ng sabton, anong maka-save man sila og life? Guys, sige, yes, Angeline. I know you have the idea. You have an idea. Sige. Less accident. Kaya nga no, makahimo man sila makahimo sila og mga gamit na, like for example, ganina, ang katong airbag sa car. Makahimo sila ginana also. If naay airbag sa car, ma-delay ang time na maigo siya ka dito sa manubela sa motor. Okay. So, again, What is impulse? So what is the formula of impulse? Force times time. What is the formula of momentum? Okay, very good. So, I think nakaibaw na mo no kung saan ang momentum o kung saan ang velocity. And nakaibaw na po mo kung saan sila pag kuha or pag so I have here a activity again. So I'll group the class into 3 groups. So this is the group 1, kutob diri kang Ralph o katong babae. Sige, dira aday sa imo ha. Then group 2 until here. Ini mo ang group 2. Then this is the group 3. Okay. So the group 1 will find the momentum. The group 2 will find the impulse, and group 3 identify the real life situation if it is momentum or impulse. Write M if it is momentum and F if it is impulse. Okay. Group 1. So group activity niya magtinabangay. Group 2. Sige. Go to your groups. Then, group 3. Okay, so I'll give you 5 minutes. Kaya ra 5 minutes class, no? Pag mo sa activity. Kaya ra bang 5 minutes? Okay, kaya ra. Kaya ra dyan na kaayo. So, okay, mag-time na ta. Oh, okay. Sige, question. Exhaust gases. So, ano sa upward? Ba? Mataas. So, any question? What's the question? Yes. Kinisha. Wait. Kinisha, yun yung pangitapon kung asa ang mas bukat. Oh. So, sa may formula sa momento. Also, nag-grams man siya no. So, i-convert natin into kilograms. Because the SI unit of momentum is kilogram times meter per second. Okay, saan na naman yung group 2? Habit na? Oh, class, getting your getting loading, magic, triangle. Sige, okay. Then after that, inyo na i-present guys in front, ha? Ato kitaon kung sakto ko lang answer. Okay, sige, draw. One minute and 45 seconds left. Yes? Questions? Doon ka nakabungan di ba? We have the cargo truck and the small truck. The questions na number 1 is, which do you think would be more damaging? Asa ang mas bugat sa luha? Write your group name sa likod, class. Mana mo? Sige, mag-wait lang sa kahang. Okay. Okay, time's up na, class. Nakaupa na mo? Isa na pa na. Group 3? Group 2. So, group 1 na nagsuot pa. Okay, sige. While the group 1 is writing their answer, group 2 and class, please listen while the group 1 is writing their answer. So, atong mag-present ang group 3 sa ilang activities and sila may nakaunaog. Human. Class, maminaw.
So, good afternoon, everyone. So, this is our answer by identifying if it is momentum or a moving car on the highway, large mass, high velocity. It is momentum. A sprinter running at a full speed. It is momentum. A baseball being hit by a bat. It is impulse. A basketball rolling across the court. It is momentum. A hammer hitting a nail. It is impulse.
A soccer player kicking a ball in his impulse. A train moving along tracks, there is momentum. A rocket flying upward with its glasses, it is momentum. A tennis racket turning a ball, it is impulse. And air bouncing facing during a car crash is an impulse.
Thank you.
Okay, very good. Good clap. Okay, asa man yung mga? So, group 2. Since computation man ni, okay. So, after this siya, check on. How about the group 1? Paano naman group 1? Why? Mag-check na ta. Okay. Very good. So, let's check your answers kung sakto ba. Okay. Ang number 1, ano say answer? Ay, it's kilogram meter per second na siya. Kilogram meter per second. Then, nasakto ra, group 1. Sakto yung answer. Number 2, okay ra pod. Okay, so, ang question diri kay which do you think would be more damaging? The cargo truck or the small truck? What's the answer? The cargo truck. Kay ano? Mas buhat siya. Okay. So, ang group 2 na pod. Sakto ra?
Yes, sir.
Nakuha ra group 2? Okay, very good. Sakto yung answer. Okay. Group 1, please write your members. How about the group 3? Ang ila to represent atong kitaon. Number 1, it's momentum. Number 2, number 3, impulse, check. Number 4, momentum. Number 5, impulse. Number 6, impulse. Number 7, momentum. Number 8, momentum, check. Okay, everyone got the perfect answer. So, give hands. Now, I have here a quiz time. Let's have a wrap up first. So, if may tao momentum galing sa to, it is a quantity of motion or mass in motion. If impulse, that is change in momentum. So, momentum is equals to mass times velocity. Then impulse is equals to force times time. So, kung moingon ganit taog si Ralph ni Dagan, na siya'y mass and velocity. So, na siya'y momentum. Pero siya nabangga sa another student, na siya'y change in momentum. That is impulse. Okay. So, since nakabalo naman mo kung sa impulse and momentum, let's have a quiz. So, I have here a questionnaires. So, count, pila mo, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 9, 10, 11. Okay. Sorry, pila man? 1, 2, 4, 6, 4, 6. So, paliho kong pasa. Lily, there is 3. Lily, 2, 4, 6, 8. 4, 6, 8. Okay. Please go og pasa. So once inyo na nakuha ang questionnaires, you can answer directly. So, ang direction ana is choose the best answer for each question. Number 2 is encircle class, encircle the letter of the correct of your answer. Then, no cheating allowed. Not following directions will result to deduction of points. So, write your names. Wa mo, duha. Write your name sa ibaw. Arira mo sa. Questionnaire mo mag-answer.
Ayun.
mga ball pens. Okay, mga na class? Papa? Okay, class, 7 minutes left. Mana? Ba? So may question. Any question? My question? Huh? Any question? Oh, then, sa toto ang unit sa mass? Kilograms. Sa unit sa mass? Kilogram. Kasi bata na. Convert. Masay buhaton kung grams ang ato ang mass. I-convert into kilogram. Okay. Kasi pa na kuman. Di maigo? Okay, I have here even paper. Kasi mga yo, kasi di kaigo ang kuhan. Sa Newton? Sa Newton? Sa units of force. Very good. What's the question? Oh, kung grams na kato ang mass sa ibaton, convert into kilograms. Convert na siya. Kaya sa ito na ito convert kanina. Diba na-convert na kanina sa grams into kilograms? 3 minutes left. Kuman na? Sige, iko. So, katong naay wa kaigo ang abot na name po ng inyong math paper. Yung answer. Isay nahuman na. Raise your hand. Nahuman na? Check na. Okay, 1 minute and 30 seconds left. Yes, ipaas na siya. Kasi naman na. Sabay na naman na. Pass your papers. Kasi iwa pa na human. Isang kamot, ang wala pa na human, ang wala pa. Nagandaghan pa. So, kamay na lang ako pa na human, daghan pa. Mana mo? Okay, asa. Asa. Okay, time's up. Finish or not finish? Pass your papers. Paper or papers? Sama, pass your papers. Asa na? Mana din? Oh, choice. Right na? So, okay. Mana everyone, no? So, please take a picture of your assignment. So, sige, picture yung assignment. Kisa yung picture. Because next meeting ato ni silang answer. So, well done everyone. Be positive. Bill Coco. Momentum is the energy of progress once you move and keep moving. Then, every challenge is an impulse. Stretch the time, soften the force, and grow stronger. So, nakasabot ra everyone sa discussion? Nakasabot ra? Okay. Thank you and well done.
Pinang